So the boiler keeps shutting down after 5 seconds of firing up. Let's see what's up. Isolate the boiler. And let's take the panels off. And look at that heat engine. Let's replace the burner seal and replace the fan gasket. Remove all the bolts and let's take this thing apart. Gently remove. These boilers are basically working 24 hours, so replacing the gaskets is a must. Look at that, it's less than a year. Now let's remove the burner. And yeah, that's the Tottenham Stadium. Looking inside, you can see it's pitch black in there, no specks of light. That's definitely blocked up. Let's give that a clean. When I'm washing windows. So a massive improvement, you can see inside, light everywhere, specks of light in there. Let's get that reinstalled. The install is basically idiot proof. You can't get it wrong. Just follow the holes. Install the new burner seal. Time to replace the electrodes. I'm aware I'm using an electric screwdriver to take the graphite seal off. Once you're done, give it a brush. Let's reinstall the new electrodes. Reinstall the burner on. Once in position, retighten the nuts. Don't forget the earthing. Now the finicky bit. There's a lot of adjustment on the fan here, pushing up and down, removing bolts and getting that seated nicely. Once you establish your position, tighten up the nuts. Let's reset this beast. 3, 2, 1, fire! Job's a good one.